Department of Justice today also announcing that the indictments of more than 400 people on healthcare fraud cases today. 35 of those people are in Texas, accused of stealing more than $100 million through fraudulent billing.
U.S. Attorney General says all of the people indicted today defrauded taxpayers out of $1.3 billion.
We are sending a clear message to criminals across this country. We will find you, we will bring you to justice, and you will pay a very high price for what you have done.
Now, we wanted to know how cases like these impact Central Texas doctors, so Fox 44's Nohely Mendoza went out to speak with one.
I don't think it surprised anyone to know that this is happening.
Dr. Felicia Mossick says every doctor knows fraud schemes exist, and it's time for those wrongdoers to come to justice.
They consume resources unnecessarily. I think that they give physicians and healthcare providers a terrible reputation.
Dr. Mossick, who has been practicing family medicine for 22 years, says those physicians planted the seed of mistrust.
Because of this greed that has become apparent, that there's the possibility that everyone is in it for themselves, and I think that's very damaging.
She says patients are the most at risk.
And so those patients, had chemical dependency issues, and they're going to have to deal with those, likely through, rehabilitation.
And that the reputation of our healthcare system now needs to rebuild.
Patients don't feel that they can completely trust the healthcare system.
The scheme involved about $1.3 billion in false billings, all of which were taxpayer funded.
It disturbs me to know that this went on for such a long time.
Dr. Mossick says it's great seeing the government focus on illegitimate prescribing.
So it's terrific that we have legal action against those that are really intentionally acting out of greed and who are violating the trust of the public.
In Waco, Nohely Mendoza, Fox 44 News.